Right from the GuardsPro Mobile App, the guards on the site can maintain a virtual record of the visitors and vehicles that enter the client site. These records are securely stored in a cloud database and can be accessed on the live dashboard and shared with the clients. The visitors register the visitor details in chronological order. First, click on the Visitor Manager on the main menu and select Visits from the drop-down. On the next screen, you'll get a detailed list of all the visitors on the client sites. Using the filters, you can refine the results according to a particular post site, guard, or date range. Now, to view the details, simply click on the entry. You can view whom the visitor had to meet, the reason for the visit, and the time in and out note. You can also check who checked in and out the visitor. If you want to email the report to the members of your security team or export the report to PDF or Excel, you can do that too. The clients can view the same details by logging in to the GuardsPro client portal if you've enabled the client access for the section. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact our support team anytime. GuardsPro, #1 security patrol solution.